Hello and welcome everybody to a new video on Valentine's Photo Paradise. Today I'll show you how to use an Olympus XA. This is the Olympus XA2 and I'll show you how to load film into it, how to insert the batteries, and just generally give you a brief overview of the functions and the different options you have with this camera. So the first thing we're going to do is inserting the batteries. We are going to open the battery compartment just with a coin down here. There we go. Open it up, putting two of those LR44 batteries, I think they're called, in here, and closing it. There we go. Now the camera should be able to fire. Let's see. There we go. So let's start at the top plate. Right here on the left, you have your rewind crank. We're going to come to that later. This is your shutter button, and right here you have your frame counter window. On the back of the camera, you have your film transportation mechanism right here. The film is transported with a little reel. And on the front of the camera, you have this beautiful clamshell design, and you have different zone focusing options. You turn the camera on by opening it up, similar to an Olympus Mio. And here we see the lens. It is a 3.5 35mm lens. Down here, we have different ISO options, so we can manually set the ISO we want to expose the film at, which is a really nice feature. This little button right here, or this little lever, is used if you want to use a flash with the camera. The flash mounts on to the right side of the camera. The Olympus XA2 has a 3-zone focusing system. You have 3 different positions right here on the left side. You have this mountain up here, so if I put it on the mountain, this means infinity focusing. This is the default position, these 2 orange figures. It is 9 feet to infinity, and this position down here is the close focusing position, which goes, I think, from 6 feet to 9 feet or something like that. If you close the camera, as you saw right now, it always goes back to the default position. So if you just want to take a quick snapshot, you're just out and about, you just open it up, you don't have to do anything pretty much, and just take a shot. I will show you how to load film into the camera. What you have to do is open this lever right up and just pull it so the back opens, just like this. Now we'll take our film spool, pull this lever up a little bit, put the film spool in. Take a little bit of the film. There we go, and put it right in the slot. Now, we can't advance the film because the front is not open, so we can't fire. So let's open up. Let's see. This is going to be a little bit trickier. Okay, there we go. Let's open up the front so we'll be able to fire the shutter and advance the film. There we go. Put it in the slot right here. Put a little bit of pressure on it. And now we're able to wind the film correctly. Take another shot. Make sure it's spooled in nicely. Close the back. Or close the front. Close the back. And there we go. On the bottom of the camera, you have a couple of options. First one is the battery check. I think this red light indicates that the battery is good to go, good to use. I think on the first XA, it did like a really annoying noise. And then the second option is a self-timer. So basically, you can open the camera, take a shot, and you will see how this light is blinking right now. So it activated the self-timer. If you have taken a couple of shots or finished your roll, like I'm doing right now, just going through some shots, and you want to rewind the film, all you have to do is press this button at the bottom, just press it in, flip the camera around, open up this crank, and you will see this little arrow is indicating in which direction you will have to wind the crank, just like that. Usually you should be able to feel some resistance if you have spooled the film incorrectly. There we go. Once you feel no resistance, you know that you have rewound the film fully, and you can just open up the bag just like we did and take out the film. Now you can either develop the film yourself or get it developed however you like, and hopefully you have captured some beautiful shots on this Olympus XA. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was helpful, and take care everybody. Have fun shooting, go out and take some shots, and yeah, stay tuned for more. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna be doing a lot more reviews and tutorials on different film cameras. If you have any suggestions, if you want me to review a special camera, there's a chance I might have it, so just send me an email or just comment below this video and I'll try to get to it. Thank you very much. As I said, take care everybody. Have a good one. Thanks for spending the time.